Hi there, students. To chew over. A phrasal verb, chew it over, a separable phrasal verb. Okay, we use chew over in two ways, but they're fairly similar. Firstly, to chew over, to think about something a lot, to mull it over in your mind. You keep thinking about it until you have the idea. Okay, so to think about something carefully for a long time. I've been chewing this problem over, and I think the best solution is to deal with it like this. Okay, the other use of chew over is to discuss something for a long time. So you can chew something over on your own. It's going round and round and round in your mind, or you could chew something over with someone to discuss something at a long with someone, but for a long time. So my partner and I have been chewing this idea over, and finally we've come to a conclusion. Okay, so to talk about something, but especially when you need to make a decision. I'm not going to be able to give you an answer tomorrow. I need to chew this over with my family. Yeah, I need to talk about it, to chew it over. Okay, so to consider something carefully, to ruminate on, to mull over, to meditate about, to think something over. Yeah, so chew over, think over, mull over. Notice this over, it's going over and over and over in your mind. To ponder, to excogitate, to ruminate about. So I'm going to chew this over and find the cheapest way of doing it. There is no obvious solution to this, but I'm going to chew it over. The group chewed over what they were going to do next, how they were going to react. So, question, formality. Chew over. I think I'd probably give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation. I think in a semi-formal, I don't think I would use it. I might use mull over in a semi-formal framework, or to ponder or excogitate in a very formal framework. To chew, a regular verb. He chewed it over. He has chewed it over for several days. When I've chewed this over, I will give you my opinion. Okay, so to chew over, to think about something, to think about all the possibilities, to go over and over it in your mind, particularly when you have to make a decision about something. So, are you going to let your son drive your car? Boy, I'm going to have to chew it over. He's a bit irresponsible. Okay, so that's the idea of to chew over. You're thinking about things. You are. It's going over and over in your mind. You're carefully considering it. Okay, so you chewed over the idea. Yeah, very often people don't just give you a direct answer. They want to chew it over. Yeah, let me sleep on it. Let me chew it over. And I'll give you an answer tomorrow morning. I can consult my pillow about it. And then also to chew something over with someone, to talk and make a decision with someone before you actually give the definitive answer. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To chew something over, to chew over.